For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off ad blocker. Open a Chrome web browser on your device. Next, click the three dots icon at the top right corner of the browser to open the menu. Click Settings. Then click Privacy and Security. Now click Site Settings. Scroll down and click the Additional Content Settings to expand it. Click Intrusive Ads. Select any site you visit can show ads to you. This disables or turns off Google Chrome's built-in ad blocker. And by doing this, you can now turn off ad blocker. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. For suggestions and questions, comment down below. Until the next one.